There's a very specific kind of frustration that only happens in a workshop when everything looks right on paper. The wiring is clean, the connections are solid, the software is updated, and yet the module simply refuses to talk back. You plug in, you power up the bench, you initiate the read process, and instead of data flowing across the screen, you get silence. No communication, no response, just that sinking feeling that something deeper is going on. Today, we're digging into one of those situations that catches a lot of technicians off guard, attempting to read a BMW 6HP automatic gearbox control unit using the CG FC200 programmer and getting absolutely nothing in return. Welcome back to Baabji Motors. I'm Hussein, and if you've been around this channel for a while, you already know we focus on real-world diagnostic challenges, programming tools, and practical solutions that actually matter inside a working garage. This discussion is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Always follow proper manufacturer guidelines, respect intellectual property, and make sure you're compliant with local laws before opening, reading, or modifying any transmission control unit. Now here's the core problem. A technician attempts to read a BMW 6HP Gearbox TCU on the bench using the CG FC200. The tool powers up normally. The wiring appears correct, but the device refuses to establish communication with the transmission control unit. No data read, no identification, nothing. So what's actually happening? First, we need to understand that BMW 6HP transmissions, especially the 6HP26 and related variants, were produced across multiple hardware generations. And this is where most confusion begins. Not all 6HP TCUs are built the same internally, even though externally they may look identical. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps before jumping into hardware limitations. The first thing to verify is your direct bench wiring. The CG FC200 requires proper high and low connections, stable power supply, and solid grounding. On some benches, communication can fail simply because the CAN bus isn't properly terminated. Adding a 120 ohm resistor between high and low can stabilize the bus in certain setups. Interestingly, in other cases, adding that resistor actually prevents communication because of double termination if the TCU already includes internal resistance. That means you should test both configurations, with a 120 ohm resistor and without it. Power stability is another overlooked factor. These TCUs are sensitive. If your bench supply fluctuates under load, even slightly, communication may fail. Ensure you are delivering a stable 12 to 14 volts with sufficient current capacity. If direct wiring still fails, the next logical step is to eliminate wiring guesswork entirely by using a dedicated gearbox bench adapter. A commonly used solution is the Godiag GT107 gearbox adapter. This device simplifies pin alignment and routing and removes a lot of human wiring error from the equation. Many technicians report that when direct pin-to-pin wiring fails, the adapter provides a more stable and reliable connection environment. Now here's where things get more technical. Even if your wiring is perfect and your bench is stable, there's a fundamental hardware limitation you need to be aware of. BMW 6HP gearboxes were built with two primary microcontroller families across different generations. One version uses a TriCore microcontroller, commonly TC1766. The CG FC200 supports this TriCore-based hardware. When you are working on this variant, the tool can typically read and write without major issues. But the first-generation hardware is a different story. Those units use an MPC 5000 series microcontroller. That earlier hardware version is often locked at the factory level, and the CG FC200 does not support unlocking or reading that specific configuration. No amount of wiring changes or resistor adjustments will fix that limitation. It's not a connection issue. It's a compatibility issue. This is the part that many technicians overlook. They assume communication failure equals wiring error, when in reality it's tool support restriction. So what tools can handle the locked first-generation MPC 5000-based 6HP units? There are several higher-end or more specialized tools known to support those modules. The OBDSTAR DC706 is one option that offers extended gearbox cloning and reading capabilities for BMW 6HP 26 transmissions. Another is a Yanhua ACDP system, specifically when using Module 32 for gearbox operations. Autohex is also known in the field for advanced BMW transmission programming support. These platforms are designed to work deeper at boot or service level and can access hardware that the CG FC200 cannot. It's important to understand that tool selection must match hardware generation. There is no universal solution that covers every variation of BMW 6HP lineup. Let's come back to the key question. If your CG FC200 fails to read a BMW 6HP gearbox, what should you actually do? First, verify clean bench wiring and test in termination with and without 120 ohm resistance. Second, ensure stable power supply with no voltage drop. Third, consider using a professional gearbox bench adapter like the Godiag GT107 to eliminate connection variables. And finally, identify the internal microcontroller type. If the unit contains a TriCore TC1766, the tool should work. If it contains an MPC 5000 series MCU from a first generation, the CG FC200 simply does not support, and you'll need a different platform. Earlier I asked, when communication fails, is it really a wiring issue or is it a hardware compatibility problem? In most cases with the specific BMW 6HP situation, once basic wiring is verified, it turns out to be hardware generation mismatch, and that clarity alone can save you hours of unnecessary troubleshooting. Personally, I believe understanding tool limitations is just as important as understanding vehicle systems. Too many technicians chase ghosts on the bench when the answer is simply that the tool was never designed for that variant. There's no shame in upgrading equipment when the job requires it, but there is value in knowing exactly why something doesn't work. If you've experienced this issue with the CG FC200 or any other gearbox programming tool, I'd genuinely like to hear what happened in your case. Drop your experience in the comments. Did it turn out to be wiring, power supply instability, or unsupported hardware? Here's one extra practical tip that often gets ignored. Before opening or attempting bench reads on any BMW transmission module, always check the exact part number and hardware index. Cross-referencing that number can sometimes tell you immediately whether it's a TriCore base unit or an earlier MPC-based design, saving you unnecessary disassembly. Let's aim for 1,000 likes and 100 comments on this discussion. Only a small percentage of viewers are actually subscribed, and subscribing really helps Baabji Motors grow, reach #1 in this niche, and continue delivering in-depth technical breakdowns like this. These deep dives take time, testing, and real workshop experience. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions directly support that effort. If this topic helped you avoid a mistake or save you diagnostic time, consider sharing it with another technician who might run into the same issue. And if you're using any of the tools mentioned, check the description for additional information. Some links may be affiliate links, and if you choose to purchase through them, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for spending your time here at Baabji Motors. Keep refining your skills, stay curious about the hardware behind the software, and as always, happy diagnosing.